Got it here, 5 more awesome knife inventions you probably don't see every day. All these knives you can find on Arizona Custom Knives. I'll put links in description. If it's still available, that means they have not been sold. By the way, this right here is Protocol, extremely rare custom knife, made in 2020, serial number 20. So this is how you pronounce Morphine. Amazing knife maker. Let's see what's about. Check this out. This is a wood handle, looks like. You do not see one of these knives every day. This one sells out so quickly. This is Damascus. Yeah, the blade is Gator Bailey Pattern Vegas Forged Damascus. So I didn't even know Damascus could be mirror polished. That's a beautiful knife right here. There's right here on a handle a Morphine S number 20, 10, 20, 22 and Morphine logo. This is frame lock, pretty smooth. Next one we got right here, Scrap 2 double edge Morphine custom knives, and this one is serial number 6, was made in 2021 or 2021. So that's looks like it's Combactor Dawn. Combactor Dawns are incredibly popular. This is huge. So yeah, this is awesome. One of a kind. Window breaker. Wow, I kind of like it, all that square handle. Any Morphine knives incredibly hard to get, and they're made by hand, so this one is definitely a number 6 also. Next we got it here, vintage Microtech UTX-70, 196 out of 500. First of all, you have a tiny little holster, all the paperwork, and there's the little knife. UTX-70, made out of, looks like carbon fiber top. 196 out of 500, made in 2014, 10/20/14. Look at that, so cute. And we have right here Damascus blade. Wow, look at that pattern. This is what I love about Damascus. Whenever you see beautiful patterns like that, it's incredibly light knife right here. Wow, still double action. Ooh, it's tough, very new like. If you take care of your knife, they appreciate in value, and there is one proof of it. Here's another UTX-70 double edge. Let's see what this one is all about. Number 13, made in 2021, double edge. All that, you can read it, pause the video. What's so special about it? UTX-70 are so much fun. Look how tiny that is. Wow. Ooh, mirror polished. I love these tiny little knives. This one a lot easier to push it in and out. Carbon fiber inside of it, blue screws. Beautiful. Obviously they improve year over year. That other Microtech UTX-70 was a little bit tougher to open and close. Next I got right here, XSplit mirror polished. Let's see. Oh yeah, I remember I used to have one of these, and you know what, I actually ended up selling it at Arizona Custom Knives. This is so much fun. Mirror polished. You see, you have right here like a knuckle over here, or 2 finger protectors, or you can hold it this way right here. Boom. I think this one sells for $2,300 at Arizona Custom Knives. I bought it in Tennessee for about $2,400 before one of these. So sometimes you can get a really good deals at the Arizona Custom Knives that is a lot cheaper than anywhere else. Look at mirror polish, it's so cool. Love that knife. This is calibration bestseller, I think. But yeah, number 19, beautiful knife right here. Today we're going to unbox Microtech Crosshair. Look how big that box is. Wow. It's at Arizona Custom Knife. If you want to buy it, I'll put links in description. Whoa, look at that bead over here. So I never had one of these before or seen one in person. This is definitely different style of a dagger. Check this out. It's quite hefty. Let's see what the balance is. Oh, perfect. You see, so it's going to be comfortable maneuvering it. Interesting little rope over here, just kind of adds to it, like the balance, I guess. Maybe throws it off a little bit. That's it. But overall, it actually perfect. You see, that's where you're gonna hold it. For big hands, it's perfect. Go camping, and as you can see, it's double-edged dagger. I love Microtechs for that reason, and it's stamped at 2015. So pretty vintage, 7 years old, LMAX steel, one of the best steels, and there's only about 2,000 of them. Yeah, I really like that. Microtech daggers, pretty fun, and it's like a dagger and a fixed blade knife at the same time, so very unique. Got it here, ZT. This one is very unique. This one is a G&G Hawk design. If you look right here, this designer is highly collectible. He's genius with their unique knife locking mechanisms. So this one right here is push button right here and open. Let's show it to you guys a couple more times. Look at the partially serrated. Definitely one of a kind serration over here. ZTs are pretty nice, pretty affordable knives, and it is really hard to get one with the collaboration of a Hawk design. So there you go. A lot of people collect G&G Hawk design collaboration knives or just custom knives. So this is why I try to show it to people, because it's hard to know every single knife. So there you go, you can find it at Arizona Custom Knife. There is only one available. Got it here, another Arizona Custom Knife right here that is you can find for sale. This is Microtech. I think this is Halo. Let's open it up. It usually says it right here. Yes. Wow, that's a big knife. Again, this is in my hands, and yeah, this one sells for $2,000 right now. Sometimes they go cheaper a little bit, and wow, this mechanism I never seen before. How do you do this? You push on both of them, and I think you pull it. Wow, I don't even know yet. I love unique knife mechanism. Okay, there you go, that's how you do it. You press the button, then it will pull back. Ooh, it's tight. You gotta pull it pretty good. And on the handle inside of it, that's where we look for more stuff. Halo, what is this number? Button number, and 2015. Beautiful. And again, very big knife. Let me move that so you guys can see. Also, I need to back up my camera. That's a one-of-a-kind design. Push on that, and pull. Yeah, you do not see knives like that every day, and I haven't seen them making one of these in a while. So this one is quite vintage and hard to get, even for $2,000. Especially the what is the 2018 one? I guess it's not that old, but nevertheless it just sells out so fast, and that's how it sucks in. Pretty beautiful. I love Microtech's knives, especially with the unique mechanisms like that, you see. Love it.